In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Airtable Dark Mode. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially when working at night or during long sessions, this is a quick setting worth turning on. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. To begin, open Airtable on your computer and sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in and viewing your usual Airtable workspace before moving on. If the page is still loading, give it a second so all menu options appear properly. Starting from the main interface makes it easier to find the setting without getting lost. Once you're inside Airtable, go to your Profile area or Account menu. This is usually found near the top corner of the screen where your profile icon or account image appears. Click that menu to open your account-related options. If you don't immediately see the right setting, don't worry. Different versions of the interface may label things slightly differently, but the option you need is typically grouped with personal preferences or display settings. Now, look for a section related to theme, appearance, or display. The wording can vary, so keep an eye out for anything that suggests visual customization. This is where Airtable lets you control how the interface looks. If the menu has several categories, take a moment to scan through them carefully rather than clicking too quickly, since the dark mode setting is usually straightforward once you're in the correct area. When you find the theme option, choose dark mode or switch the current setting from light to dark. As soon as you select it, Airtable may update the interface immediately, or it may wait for you to confirm the change. If a confirmation button appears, go ahead and apply the new theme. This ensures the setting is saved correctly to your account. After that, take a quick look around the screen and review the display. The background should now appear darker, with lighter text and interface elements that are easier to read in low light conditions. Check a few pages or tables if needed, just to make sure the theme has fully applied across Airtable. And that's it. You've successfully switched Airtable to dark mode. If the change doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or reopening Airtable so the setting can fully take effect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.